Today we're testing out some viral home hacks to see if they work. First up, we're going to see if you can cool down a drinks can in only a couple of minutes, and this started on about 16 degrees, so we put it in a bowl full of ice and added a little bit of table salt, and then just pop your drinks can in. Now, this did work really well actually. It ended up getting the can down to about 3 degrees, but is it just easier to pop a bit of ice in your drink? Probably. The next hack is for cutting your herbs and your leaves, and a lot of the time when you're using a knife, they don't tend to cut properly, so instead you can grab a pizza cutter and use that. And this actually worked out really well, and I'm surprised I've never done this before. You can also freeze them to keep them fresh. Now, I know it's not just me that struggles to squeeze a lemon, because these guys can be really hard to get the juice out of, so if you're struggling, just grab a pair of tongs and they will help to make it a lot easier to get the juice out of your lemon. But I will say, just be careful of your cloves.